In front of me is STK Life 9, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this phone. So first of all, just reach Settings, then find and select Display, and go to Wallpaper right here. Then mark Wallpapers, and you can either pick something from your own photos, or you can pick one from System Pictures, whatever you like to apply. So this is how you can choose the picture, how you can check it on your screen, and here just mark your pictures. I don't know if they will be refreshed quickly, not so sure, but you can pick whichever is around and then apply it. But actually it has nothing on itself, so let me choose this one, and then tap on Set Wallpaper here. Decide if it's for your home screen, lock screen, or both. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed, and from now on this picture is assigned to both your home and lock screens. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.